Unloading railcars, getting all the sugar you've paid for. There are two primary methods for unloading sugar from railcars. This video shows the pneumatic unloading method. Inspection. Ideally, you should conduct the inspection and cleaning steps in a staging area prior to pulling the car into the unloading area. Then follow these steps. Step 1. Review the paperwork, then check and break the seals. Before unloading the railcar, make certain the seal numbers on the paperwork match the railcar seal numbers. If numbers match, break the hatch seals. Unload the car within 12 hours to prevent humidity from affecting the sugar flow, and dispose of the broken seals in a covered trash designated for seals. If the seal numbers don't match your paperwork, do not break the seal. Call 1-800-984-3585 to report the discrepancy. Step 2. If required, take a sample. Test the sugar in a timely manner. Be sure to close each hatch to prevent damage from humidity. Remember, the product may have settled en route, and a top sample may not reflect the COA results. Step 3. Use an automatic gate opener. Prepare to open the railcar gates using an automatic gate opener. This is the best tool for opening any railcar gate for safety of personnel and to reduce damage to the railcar equipment. Step 4. Inspect lower gate and pneumatic tube. Open the lower gate and pneumatic tube. Inspect both areas. This area is not watertight, and items on the rail line could access the area through the lower gate. Step 5. If needed, clean the lower gate and pneumatic tube before moving on to the unloading steps. When needed, clean these areas before moving the railcar to the unloading area to ensure dry and clean product flow. Unloading. Move the railcar into the unloading position. An important note: your specific workplace may have additional unloading instructions specific to your site. Be sure to check. Step 6. Position the railcar to unload the center compartment first. Always unload the center compartment first to maintain the balance of the railcar. Note: railcars can lean. If that starts to happen, be aware of the situation and move the car as needed to unload evenly and maintain balance. Step 7. Unload the sugar. Open the upper gate within 2 to 6 inches of being closed. This allows the sugar to adequately flow to the pneumatic tube and flow out from the railcar. Step 8. While unloading, gate cycle as needed. When using pneumatic unloading, if the sugar is not flowing, a gate cycle might be required. To conduct a gate cycle, open the upper gate the entire way and then completely close it. Reopen the gate, returning to the 2 to 6 inch opening. Repeat the gate cycling as needed for sugar flow. Step 9. Tap down the car with the proper hammer. Knock the remaining sugar off interior walls using a 30-inch dead blow hammer. Do not use steel sledgehammers. They cause paint flaking and damage to the railcar. Step 10. Use 65 to 80-pound vibrators. Use heavy-duty vibrators and auto-flow sensors to detect low sugar flow. Start the vibrator to shake the sugar from the railcar. If you do not have an auto-flow sensor, look at the unloading boot to see if the sugar is properly flowing. Step 11. Look inside the car. Use a bright, shatterproof light to locate the exact areas of remaining sugar. Step 12. Tap down the sugar. Use a recommended dead blow hammer to knock the sugar loose. Pound the exterior of the railcar from top to bottom to loosen the sugar. Repeat as necessary. Step 13. Reseal the hatch seals. After verifying that the upper gates and lower gates are fully closed, reseal the railcar with 3/16-inch cable lock seals on all compartments for the return transit. Step 14. Communicate feedback to United Sugars. Email or call us with any concerns or questions. United Sugars is a customer-focused sugar provider. We are passionate about delivering the sugar you need, on time and in spec, safely. Thank you for choosing United Sugars.